個外傭喺大埔宏福苑火災之後遭到僱主解除合約，獲關注外勞嘅組織提供臨時住宿同生活物資應急。
自菲律賓嘅 Vermi 大火之前喺宏福苑嘅僱主屋企服務，大火當日聽到有人拍門叫疏散。Vermi 帶住僱主屋企人，包括男嬰同男嬰嘅祖母，從居住嘅宏泰閣17樓跑落樓。
I was crying already. I was shaking, and I was carrying the baby. The grandmother was behind me. So when I opened the door, I saw that the other building is already almost gone. It's on fire. It was raining like stones, hot stones. It was raining materials that are burning. They are already falling down. The people were shouting.
事發近2個星期之後 ，Vermi 上個星期被通知僱主因為財政原因，決定同佢解除合約。
Sabi po ng agency ko.
Then my agency told me that I am going to sign something, and I saw that it's an on-the-spot termination.